Connecting with plants does something for me personally. It's grounding and it's healing. It takes my blood pressure down, takes my anxiety away. It does so many things, and I know that it does that for other people as well. The Learning Gardens are there for PCC students and staff and also surrounding community members. It's a resource to come and enjoy.
I start a day in the Learning Garden with a walk around, and I'm there to see any changes from when I was last there. And I'm looking at all the plants, and I'm looking and observing and noticing all I can. Then I'm getting my tools and figuring out the tasks that might need to happen for the day in the garden.
We might have folks stopping by after a class and they just need a calm space where they can hang out with plants and be nonverbal for a little bit.
I've learned about how change is always constant and happening, and how I've learned from the garden about death. Like, there's always gonna be death, and it actually provides life.
And I just really like working with plants because it reminds me of the bond that I have with my mom and how I can just enjoy the moment in the environment.
Because the Learning Gardens are a space where people come in and they learn and they share knowledge and they connect and they communicate with each other.
And I love inviting and welcoming as many people as I can into these spaces. Just so amazing to see how people's perspectives change and to see people light up and get excited about what they see.
So we have 5 gardens, and each of the gardens grows food that goes to the food pantry.
It's so important to me for kids to know where food comes from. It doesn't come from the store, it comes from the ground and from people and hands.
And being out there and learning these skills of how to care for plants and how to grow food and how to save seeds and all of that, those are skills that are contributing to a global effort for community-sustained food systems. This is your garden. This is for you to come in and enjoy, and this is for you to come in and learn and be in this space and take up space here and, heal in it and grow in it. I think the gardens offer this opportunity to have these learning experiences that then create a ripple effect and go out into communities and get passed on for generations.